Hey everybody, it's Dale for QuantifyAR, and I just want to show you a project that I'm working on right now. It is a unusually shaped deck around our pool, and I want to enclose the entire deck with a kind of a vertical wall around the outside, and I want to do it with vertical fence boards. So the template here of what we're working with is going to be a vertical fence board like that, and a 2x4 on the bottom to anchor it down, and then we'll probably run another 2x4 on the top as well to nail that too. So it's a bit of a difficult project to do a takeoff for because of the unusual shape, but I'm going to use QuantifyAR to do that. So let's see how that works. Okay, so I'm going to just go around the perimeter of my deck and tap points to create my measurements for how long this wall needs to be, and from that I'll be able to determine how many boards I need. So, got my first point. I'm just going to go around the perimeter of this deck at approximate location of where I want my my enclosure wall to go. So here we go. Next point here at this corner, about there, and next point about there. We're going to go all the way till the stairs will be the boundaries of our enclosure. Hit check mark to complete the measurement, and you can see I'm going around the perimeter there with my wall. And now to visualize the height of the boards that I need, I can just swipe up on this green bar and just go up to the underside of that deck like that, and that's about 3.5 feet. You can see in the measurement right next to the top of the green bar, and that lets me visualize the height of that of those fence boards. So I'm just going to walk around here to make sure it looks okay, and I think that's a good approximation of where the wall is going to go. So I'm just going to hit done to save that and call it walls. Yes to save. And now I've got my saved measurement for my walls, around 45 feet long and an area of close to 160 square feet. Okay, so now I need to determine how many fence boards I need. So I'm going to tap into the wall quantity that I saved, tap the plus button at the bottom left, and start setting up my cost rule for my fence boards. So I'm just going to call that fence boards is the name of my cost rule. I'm going to use inches, linear inches, to determine to set up that rule. And I'm going to say it costs, well, let's look it up on Home Depot's website. So let's look at a 1x6 by 5 foot treated wood fence board right there. $3.56 a piece. So we'll go back into that and we'll say, punch in $3.56 each per board, and how many each per inch. So it's asking us how many boards per inch. Well, we know that one fence board is about 5.25 inches wide. It's not truly 6 inches, so I'm just going to say one every 5.25 inches. So how many each? How many boards per inch? Go to the next one. I want to allow for some extra material here, so let's just say 5% extra. And tax, we'll go 12% tax, and click done. And now we've got our fence board cost set up. So we just have to tap the plus button to apply that, and it's giving me about 108 fence boards are required and a cost of about $430.